Samsung's next major flagship device after the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. Yes, our first ever real live look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, courtesy of On Leaks based on the official CAD information. And right off the bat, I have to say at long last, Samsung has finally given us what we really wanted. Let's start with the inner display. The 8.2-inch screen will be the largest inner screen on any foldable, surpassing the Oppo Find N2. This will allow for a better experience when unfolded, especially for media consumption and multitasking. And it's once again going to be the only foldable with an underscreen camera. Samsung is finally adding an underscreen camera to the Z Fold 7, meaning no notch or punch hole interruptions, providing a cleaner and more immersive full-screen experience. And according to reports, Samsung has massively improved the crease compared to the Fold 6. The crease, which has been a defining characteristic of foldable displays, is reportedly less noticeable than on previous models, making it even more practical for everyday use. And I am also equally excited about the new outer screen, which is finally wider than it has ever been on a foldable phone. The outer screen is getting a significant increase in width, 11 millimeters more than the Z Fold 6. This should make it much more comfortable to use for everyday tasks without having to open the device. The Fold 7 is thinner when folded, 9.5 millimeters, down from 12.1 millimeters on the Fold 6, and thinner when unfolded, 4.5 millimeters, though it's still not as thin as some other foldable like the Oppo Find N2 or Honor Magic Fi 3. And shockingly, the Z Fold 7 is set to have 4,400 milliamp hour battery, remains the same as the Fold 6, though with the newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, better battery efficiency is expected. And one of the biggest upgrades in the Z Fold 7, which is the 200 megapixel main camera sensor, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultras, ensuring excellent photography and video performance, along with the 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 3 times telephoto lenses. We're likely going to see One UI 7.1 with even more Galaxy AI features coming in for the Fold 7. The device will run One UI 7.1 with more Galaxy AI features for enhanced performance and usability. And right now, we have some news related to the launch date of the Fold 7. Expect the Z Fold 7 to be released around mid-July, following the pattern set by previous years. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.